Today we're looking at this multi-tool with aluminium or alloy handles and stainless steel pliers. So let's take a look and see what it's got. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 multi-tools, but one of them is the pliers and wire cutters, so you could say it's 10. Alright, so let's open it up and take a look. Alright, so it's spring loaded, so you see the spring in there. And does it close all the way? Yes, it does. Just give it a quick measure. So when it's closed, it is 105 mil, and when it's opened, about 165 mil open. So 165 mil this way, and that's how it looks closed. It is quite heavy. Let's weigh it. All right, on it goes. 184.20 grams. So it feels solid, it feels nicely made, but it is a cheap one. All right, so bear that in mind. So all this is metal. Let's open it up and have a look at all the tools. So you have a serrated knife, Phillips screwdriver, a can and bottle opener, and it's got like a little knife on the edge there as well, and it's also got the well, that's probably the bottle opener, and with a little knife at the end, and a can opener right there. Let's go on the other side. And here you get your straight knife, your screwdriver, your file, and your large slotted screwdriver, which looks like it's got another can opener here, or bottle opener. And that's basically it. So the one that I was saying before with the wire cutters, it's also got a wire stripper as well, if you can see in there. So it's got a wire stripper too. All in all, feels alright, feels good, feels strong. Let's see if these work properly. I'll hold it this way for this. We'll try to test out the knife. Yeah, it's okay. It can be a little bit sharper. And we'll test out this side. Well, I can't really test it on cardboard, but it does work. And yeah, so anyway, the links will be in the description if you want to go and take a look. There's plenty of them there. This is a cheapy one, so I'll try and find the cheapest ones I can find there and put them in the description. Thanks very much for still watching, and if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'll really appreciate it. And also liking the video, and drop a comment down below if you wish, and I'll catch you on the next one.